All right, gotta turn your camera on. It's off.
It just lit up.
Let me test it.
All right, they can't see us. It says turn camera on, and it's not showing us.
Babe.
Okay.
All right. Don't end it, because that's once you end it, we can't. All right. Sorry, guys. I see you guys are on now. Sorry for the delay. We're at Melissa's house. We're just trying to get her camera on. Whatever you do, just don't press All right.
See, it was that. It was everything my thing.
All right, guys.
Apologize.
Oh my God, we don't know what happened. It was YouTube. I think they went crazy and it wasn't allowing us to see ourselves. It wasn't allowing us to hear ourselves.
It on my computer.
Well, we don't know what happened. So, but we're back on and we're so happy. Apologies for the almost an hour late.
Super delayed.
But we have everything ready for you. I hope everyone is having an amazing weekend. For those of you who are on, I want to let other people know that we are on and back fixing this.
Yeah, sorry.
We already have.
Not my computer's fault.
We have the screen here. The
You can move it over.
Yeah. Can you bring the whiteboard here? Yeah. All right, guys. So we're going to go on now. Melissa's gonna bring her computer, her whiteboard here. Like I said, guys, I'm so sorry for the delay. Thank you guys for patiently waiting for us. We don't understand what was going on. It was a glitch on YouTube. It wasn't broadcasting us the right way. So Melissa is going to.
Can you exactly what I said. Be careful.
I mean, we didn't do anything wrong. I just moved it a little.
I know.
It's probably the glue's not strong enough.
No, I didn't glue it. I have it precisely placed.
Oh, it's not taped?
No, I'm supposed to screw it in.
Oh, okay. So it's okay. We don't need that anyway. I hope you guys can see this. Melissa's gonna be going over her first lesson, and then I'll be next. So we're just gonna. I think it works better if it's on here.
That's why I brought it here for this.
Hold on, guys. Perfect.
You don't need the board at all?
Yeah, I'm gonna need the board too. All right, Melissa's on.
Okay, guys. So for those of you that don't know, we were actually on last week, and
Make
we
sure
did have. They can't see me and the board.
While you're talking.
That's fine. They can hear me. We had actual technical issues last week. And we didn't finish our lesson, but our lesson was reversal patterns. And reversal patterns are great for people that don't like to use indicator. They really like to just use what the chart, what the candlesticks are telling them. So learning reversal patterns is a good way to do that. So we're going to start off with the basics, which are the hammer, the inverted hammer, the bullish engulfing, the hanging man, shooting star, and bearish engulfing. And take a screenshot of this so at the very least you have a quick description of it and you know what it looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and find them on the chart for you, because no matter what I draw here, it's never going to look exactly the same on your chart. So it's good that we're going to help you point them out. So the hammer, obviously everything written in green is bullish. These are all bullish reversal patterns, okay? So the hammer, right, it appears in a downtrend. Obviously, like I said, it's a bullish reversal pattern. The inverted hammer, okay, occurs when price is falling. And as you can see, even if I just shorten this a little bit, went a little bit overboard. The hammer and the inverted hammer really are just opposite, right, of one another. And then you have the bullish engulfing, which signals a strong uptrend is coming, and the bearish candle and it's what it looks like is a bearish candle followed by an even bigger bullish candle, okay? And it's gonna go up towards up, like it's going on an uptrend, right? So then you have the hanging man. And these are all bearish reversal patterns. Your hanging man is the same as the hammer, just different in color. It appears in an uptrend, bearish reversal pattern. It also marks strong resistance levels. The shooting star, same as the inverted hammer. bearish reversal pattern, and occurs when price has been falling. Okay? And then you have the bearish engulfing. Signals a strong downtrend, and it's a bullish candle followed by a larger bearish candle headed towards a downtrend. Now, should I just do my screen share now?
And that's all you're talking about?
Yeah, well, I wanted to do tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms, but it didn't fit. I'll just show them on the...
Well, erase that and do it on the board.
All right, well, just 2 seconds to take a picture if you haven't already. Okay, guys, sorry. So now tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms, just like every other pattern we showed you, are exactly the same. Okay, it's either they're either spotted after an extended uptrend or downtrend, and indicates that a reversal will soon be coming. So ooh. Sorry, guys, these are brand new markers, and they stink. Okay, guys, so you have your okay, you have your tweezer bottoms and your tweezer tops. The first candle is the same as the overall trend. Same as overall trend, and the second candle is opposite. Okay, something else to identify the wicks or shadows, however you want to call them, have to be the same length. Okay. And it has to have the same lows. Okay, so your tweezer bottoms have to have the same lows, and your tweezer tops have to have the same highs. Wicks and shadows, same length. And remember, your first candle is going to be the same as the overall trend, and the second candle is going to be the opposite. And then I can go ahead and show you everything on the MetaTrader 4. Do you want to do more stuff? And then we'll just get on.
Yep.
So snap a quick picture if you haven't already. And
hey guys, woo, woo, woo. It's me. I'm excited. I'm gonna take my glasses off because I'm going to be writing and I need them for distance, but I'm going to take them off now. So I hope you got, some type of information from Melissa. I'm going to be going over dojis and, the 4 major dojis that are used in the trendy markets. Okay, so waiting for her to erase this and see it. Okay, so you can do both see us and...
yeah, you can if you move it a little bit more back and then move it up to screenshot it.
Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. All right. All right. So, guys, there are 4 main dojis, different dojis, right? I recognize doji as the cross, right? That's my infamous, like, Jesus on the cross. Sorry if I'm offending anyone. It's just a way that I remember. I told you I'm very animated. So, if you guys watch the lessons I've gone over, I use different things, like support resistance, like the basketball. This is how I remember the doji. Okay. So we have the star. Okay. Star looks like the cross, right? Then let me make sure I'm drawing them right. Yes. Perfect. And we have the long-legged one. And that tends to have the wicks for the long-legged doji the wicks tend to be a lot longer, and the star's wicks tend to be a lot shorter. So, sorry guys. All right. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let me just adjusting this, guys. Then we have the gravestone, right? Then we have the gravestone doji, okay? And for those of you that use the gravestone doji, we know it's like this.
Upside down.
Like an upside down T, okay? And then we have the dragonfly. Where is the... The dragonfly, and it's the opposite, right? And I tell people, when you see a gravestone doji, it's basically meaning that it is going to be a possible sell, meaning that the market has been trending up, and the sellers and buyers are indecisive, right? Because when a doji pops up, that means it's indecision in the market, right? When there's extreme indecision, when the market is volatile and it's been going on an uptrend, right? Well, it means that it can be a possible remember the key word I use is a possible downtrend can be occurring, a possible. So when you look at the dragonfly over here, right? This means that it's going to be a possible buy. This might be for the buyers to lock in their positions, and basically what it means is that it's another it means that the market is indecisive, right? And that the sellers have been going on a downtrend, right? And now it might be the time for the market to reverse itself. And it might be, this is a good time when you see a doji, you're going to wait for several confirmations, right? 2 to 3 confirmations. You want to see where price is. You want to look at your supply demand zone levels. If you do use other indicators, you want to make sure that they coincide with one another, right? Depending on what time frame you use. But when you see a dragonfly, think of as a possible buy, and when you see a gravestone, you're going to associate that with a possible sell. These are just short ones. I'm going to go through them once we screen share, but I just wanted to draw these 4 main different dojis out because these are really like clues and cues to use them when you're executing. They can even help you exit a trade, and they can help you when to enter a trade. And how can they help you exit a trade? Well, say if you're in a trade, right? And sorry, I have to bend down at the same time. If you exiting a trade, this can help you exit a trade. Why? Because if you're already in a trade right now, currently, and you see a doji pop up and other indicators are telling you, listen, it might go in the opposite direction. The trending of the market is about to go in the opposite direction. That's how it can help you. How it can help you enter a trade is if you're using, this is technical analysis, right? This is part of your technical analysis. You're gonna look at where the market is at currently. You're gonna see what price is doing, what, if you use the news, your fundamentals. That's if you do. Some people don't ever trade the news, they'll just use basic price action, right? You're gonna look at your support and resistance levels, and that can help you enter a trade. Are dojis always right? No. You will never, never, never want to rely on the doji to enter and exit or trade, guys. These are just little confirmations, indications telling you, listen, hey, look out for something. There might be a change in the trend. That's basically what I'm telling you is for what you use a doji for. Now I'm going to go more in detail when we screen share. We just wanted to just show you this and basically gives you, some clues on what to use. All right, guys? So if you do have any questions, I think on our YouTube we have a question box, and I can go on, look at it quickly, see if you guys have any questions. But if you do, put all your questions in the comment box, whatever we have, and I'm going to look while Melissa goes on, and I'll be answering your questions. All right, guys? So just remember these. And take a quick picture, but my drawing's not that great, but I hope the quick information we gave you was informative, and we're going to go in more detail once we screen share. All right, guys? So I'm going to erase this. It's our first time doing it here in Mel's house, so we're just getting adjusted to everything here. Okay. Yeah, we got to make this side. We're definitely going to make this long waist than last time.
I like it like that.
No.
I think if it was just taller.
Maybe,
perfect.
yeah. You can make this taller. Make your thing taller. That'd be great. Okay, so do you have any key points I want to say before? Because I'm gonna look at my other notes. Let's see if we have anything good. I'm gonna be going over also head and shoulders. Right? Regular head and shoulders and inverted head and shoulders. And we're going to be going over some cool stuff, guys. So make sure you have your notes out, because when I don't know, Melissa's going over what? Reversal patterns? Yeah. She's going to be going over reversal patterns, and I'm going to be going really in depth with targeting and executing these trades and making some money, guys. So I hope you guys are excited for this. And I'm about to screen share this. So, let me make this bigger. And Melissa, go on YouTube to make sure when I screen share, you can see it. All right, screen share, and we're gonna do this and start. Now, let's see. All right, you guys should see this. Let's see. All right, so keep it on just in case it goes off, or that's what tells me, sure. All right, guys, so Melissa is going to be going over her reversal patterns. We are screen sharing right now. So we're about to get down and dirty, guys. We're going to get into the good stuff. So let's see what Melissa has for you guys tonight. And then I'll be next, guys. All right, go Melissa.
All right, guys. So basically we want to be able to spot all of these different reversal patterns on a chart. Okay. Ooh, all right. So where are we on right now? We're on the Euro USD on the 1 minute chart. Ooh. That's not pretty. Okay. We're on the Euro USD 30-minute chart. Okay, so we're going to start off with the hammer and the hanging man, right? So we know that they look exactly the same, but they do have different meanings. And we know the hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that forms during a downtrend, okay? So we're looking, right? Right there. Oh, he didn't make the cursor bigger. Hold on. I wonder how. Okay. Okay, guys. So, oh, okay, this is pretty cool because I can see what you guys are seeing. Okay. Right. So we know the hammer forms during a downtrend. So right here would be considered a hammer. Ooh, okay. Right. And then obviously the hanging man forms the complete opposite. It forms at the top, pardon me, on the top of an uptrend. Okay, so oh, well, no, because it's forming right now, so let's not use that. Okay, all right, right here, this one. Sorry, guys, this one right here is your hanging man. Okay, so now let's move on quickly because I want to get through. Hopefully, we can go through a few more of these than what I went through on the whiteboard. Okay, so now we're going to go through the inverted hammer and the shooting star, right? And those also look exactly the same. I don't look so great right now. Could you not?
She wasn't ready for this, guys. She wasn't prepared.
No, I was prepared. I just don't want to be so on camera right now at the moment. Okay. All right. So the inverted and the shooting star are opposite. I'm like camera shy today. Are the complete opposite, right? So their body is more towards the bottom, right? So let us look. So the inverted hammer occurs when price has been falling. So we're going to look over here. That one there. Yeah. Oh, wait. Here we go. Okay.
Let's see what Melissa's going over. Look at this, guys. Hola, Luis. There she goes laughing. She's camera shy today. I don't know what's going on with her. I guess she's shy because she's in her house today, and she's not. And she's, you know, in her element. You would think she'd be more comfortable here, but I think she likes being at my house.
No, yeah, I'm used to being in your house. It's actually a little bit weirder doing it in my place, right? Okay. All right, so we know that the inverted hammer occurs when price has been falling, right? And it's the opposite, right? So
she's going over.
Right over here, I'll leave my mouse right there for you guys so you guys can look at it.
What are you showing the people on YouTube right now, Melissa?
An inverted hammer.
Oh, you sure? And what are you going to go over about the inverted hammer with them?
Well, we already went through it. I'm just spotting it out for them on the chart.
Oh, okay. No, people are asking, you know.
Oh, on there. Sorry. Okay, well, these are what we're going through right now, guys. Pardon me. Is they're reversal patterns in the market, right? So some of them look identical, but depending on what color they are or where they present themselves in the market, they can give you a signal as to what will be happening in the market, such as a reversal or maybe a consolidation or maybe even a fake out. So it's important to be able to spot those out so that you have a better understanding and you're prepared to really focus on what's happening right now in the market and what's going to be happening. So you always want to wait for your confirmations. I like to wait 3 candlesticks after I see a reversal pattern. So that's the importance here.
Nice.
Like, you don't just see a reversal pattern and immediately jump into a trade. That would be kind of silly because that reversal pattern that you saw could be incorrect. And
That's
the
right.
market moves so quickly that sometimes it is incorrect. And if you're not paying attention and you're not waiting and you're not confirming what you're seeing and what the market is trying to tell you.
Can you show me one of the reversal patterns so we can like
Sure.
show our Facebook viewers?
Well, right here is a beautiful, let's see if we can zoom in one. Oh, wait, I hate when you do that, when you zoom in and you lose it.
Just
Okay,
you don't have
where
to
is
zoom
it?
in.
All right, right here. Kim just went over that, and that's actually a very beautiful doji.
That is a doji. And so basically a doji is an indecision of the market, right?
Correct. The long wicks or shadows, the sticks itself is what they call wicks, and the longness of them. What was the longer one you just said?
The long-legged doji.
There we go. Yes. The longer body of it. It's clear indecision of the market. The market doesn't know whether it's going to continue to go up or whether it's going to reverse and go down, or vice versa.
That's right.
Right? Okay. So we went over the inverted hammer. Now the shooting star. We know the shooting star is a reversal, a bearish reversal, right? So it's only right that it appears when the market has been rising. Okay? I hate Sprite. How dare you bring Sprite into my house?
I love Sprite. She don't love Sprite, but I do.
No.
Let's see what she's doing. Let's see what this
We
chick
are
is doing.
looking for a shooting star.
She's looking for a shooting star. Let's see if she could identify a shooting star. She's gonna kill me later.
Maybe next week you'll see one Forex chick. The Forex chick.
Never.
Oh, FYI, I had like the most adorable idea
Okay.
that I obviously will not say because it has to do with
The Forex chicks.
the Forex chicks business. But
The Forex chicks.
pardon me, guys. The shooting star.
star.
Yeah, making me not
I go on
focus. Okay, let me just go all the way back here.
Hey girl. Hey my Aussie. And my Aussie girl just joined on our Facebook Live.
Okay, so right here you have a shooting star. Right, guys, and it signifies that what is going to happen. It's no longer going to go on an uptrend. It's going to reverse, and it does. It has a short reversal time, but even on that short reversal time, that's 375 pips. So that's pretty good for a short reversal time, but the market does reverse. It consolidates, and then what happens during a consolidation?
Always
They have to decide whether or not what they're going to do, right? So they broke out on a downtrend, and then it continued to go on. It consolidated a little bit, continued to go on a downtrend, and then bam, shot back up. And right here is what you call, I'm jumping a little ahead, but what do you call that, Kim?
Go, show them.
A bullish engulfing. And that's, I mean, that's not even a great example, but that's beautiful. But I'll find you guys a better example when we get to the bullish engulfing patterns. Can you please? All up in my face.
I don't know why she's so camera shy today. We're always on Facebook Live.
Not always. Okay, so actually, yes, bullish and bearish, right? So for a bullish engulfing candle, right, it appears on a downtrend, and the first candle is red, and it's small. It's a bearish candle, and it's small, has a small body. And then the candle that precedes it will be a large engulfing green candle, right? So let me find one, a proper one for you guys. Are you showing my home around?
Bruce, maybe she's shy because of me. Hey, Naomi. Hey, hey, hey.
No, I'm not. I don't know why I'm camera shy.
I don't know why she's camera shy. I think we're going to just stay at my house. What do you think, guys? We're always doing this at my house. This is the first time us here.
I hate driving all the time over there.
Oh, well, then you can't be camera
Kiss my
shy.
butt.
We're going to do it in your house, then. You can't complain.
Well, you're all up in
We
my
have
face.
viewers that are watching on YouTube.
Okay, but show them what I'm doing, not my face. There's
You
a
see this?
difference.
All these complaints. I don't
I'm
know
not
about
complaining. I'm looking for a bullish
this.
engulfing.
But when she's in my house, she's throwing you guys kisses on my face.
Here we go. Shh, be quiet. I found it. A nice one.
There she is. Look at this.
Okay, so, if that's not a bullish engulfing perfect example, I don't know what is.
But move the arrow so the people.
Okay, so like I said, right? The bullish engulfing, it's going to appear on the downtrend. It's consolidating in a downtrend area. And then what happens? You have a small bearish candle, not a big body, and follows is a huge engulfing bullish.
What do you think? Why
candle.
do you think that happened? Because you see these short candlesticks, right? They're very, very, very short here, guys, right? And am I interrupting your session?
No, go ahead.
Okay, so this is not normally seen, guys, on this. Use this engulfing candle, the bullish candle. This is actually, what pair is this? The Euro USD?
Euro USD, yeah.
Okay, and that
30-minute chart. And this was around the 6th of September.
Can you look on your phone and give us the date? I'm gonna tell somebody a story. I'm gonna tell somebody a story. Why? Do not expect these engulfing candles like this to be always like this all the time.
September 6th was a Tuesday.
Okay, and was NFP out on a Tuesday for that one? Can you please
I will have to look.
Melissa's going to look because we want our viewers to understand that this is not a typical breakout you see normally like this. Because look what happened after this breakout, right? You see this breakout, what happens here is that right here, the market there's no movement right now. The market is not volatile right now, and it's right now. You can call it slow. The liquidity, right? You can use the liquidity is a word meaning that when there's a lot of markets volatile, you see a lot of movements, right? Like in the trending market, but right now the market was just basically in consolidation, and then boom, this happened. This is not typical, guys. You couldn't even make a
there was
decision.
NFP news for the U.S.
So do you see what NFP has done?
Yeah,
you
because there was a projection that the dollar would rise. The dollar was going to be doing better.
Okay, so
it jumped up.
My key thing is that this would not be a good trade to go into, guys, because this was unpredictable. What happened if the market went the opposite
what's so
direction?
funny? Not to cut you off, but I was doing a one-on-one with somebody. And, they say, this is a bullish engulfing, right? And I say, who the hell would get into that? Mm-hmm. Look at what's going on even before it. Mm-hmm. There's consolidation. Yeah, you have reversal patterns in between.
Mm-hmm.
You have them, right? But really, not everybody would go and place a buy and catch that. Very few people actually do catch that. But what if it looked something? Let me see if I can find one.
Stanley would get into the trade. And
right,
Abby,
one of few.
She said she called it. Interesting. This is really good. Keep on, guys. Talk.
That's
strong
good.
Support, breakout of structure, weak support that resistance, good call.
Yeah. But not everybody that is beginning to trade. You guys sound like you know what you're doing. You know you have to set up your support and resistance. You obviously knew news came out that day. So you're of a more, I don't want to say advanced trader, but you understand your intermediate. Exactly. For newbies, they wouldn't get into that. They wouldn't even understand how to get into that. That is my point, and that is what we're trying to teach you guys.
That's right.
But I'm great. I'm happy that you guys, you understand that and you know that.
All right.
But not your average person that is just starting Forex, they're not going to know that. That's the point.
Interesting. So cool. We can make you country looking. We can make you funky looking. We can make you acid looking. It
Are you
says.
kidding me?
Classical.
All right, never mind. Let's just go to bearish engulfing. Okay, so obviously that's going to form at an uptrend. And the first candle is obviously going to be a small green candle, small body, and followed by a very large bearish red candle. Okay, so we're going to have to go back more. Sorry, guys. Looking for a good example. Sometimes are not necessarily there while you're looking. Okay, come on. Down, down, down. Up, up, up.
Nice, Stanley. That is true. I'm reading your comments.
What did Stanley say?
Someone asked, what is NFP? It's good to know why it does, why, yeah, chop, boom. I agree with you and I don't agree with you because there's a lot of people that don't trade the news and are very successful. And there's people that trade NFP all the time and they're very good at it. And there's people that that prefer not to trade it. It just all depends on the preference. There's no right or wrong answer to the NFP, you know, basically. So yeah, people can look it up what it is and stuff like that. But there's some people that love trading the news and there's people that don't. It's all a matter of preference. There's no right or wrong.
You guys have to remember that what the news does, it manipulates the market. Because had that news report not came out, the Euro USD wouldn't have had that jump, that spike up. You understand that? So the news is really just, whether you called it or not, the news is just manipulating the market.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. You either catch the wave or you don't. There is no in between.
That's right. So what are you showing the people on YouTube now?
I'm trying to find a freaking bearish engulfing that I haven't been able to find. That's not a good. Jesus Christ. No.
Yes, Stanley. Like I said, not everyone does. People can try it, but if you guys
Let me
try
another.
Don't try it on a live account. Unless you got it like that, you got thousands to just blow. Don't do it on a live account.
What did they say now?
She's looking for a bearish and engulfing.
Yeah, I know. It's like the bullish I found immediate. And now I can't find a good prime example of this.
A bearish engulfing candle. Let's see, guys. Let's see.
No, look, I'm.
See?
Okay, here we go.
Oh, she found one. Wait. She found one. Let's see what she got, guys.
Here we go, guys. So, small-bodied,
Wakata.
bullish candle followed by an engulfing bearish candle.
Hello.
And that is your bearish engulfing, right? So it's followed, but you see, this is not even a prime example of it because it's supposed to be in an uptrend. And I mean, it's so up, but not. It was in a consolidation, but
yeah.
I mean, just so that you know what the frick it looks like, because
This is what it's
I've already been
look
looking
like.
for this for a good 5 minutes now.
Hey, Kendall. Hey, girl.
Kendall.
Kendall.
Hey,
Our girl,
boo.
Kendall. Melissa says
Hey,
hi,
boo.
Kendall.
Okay.
We haven't seen her forever.
So, oh my God, I feel like tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms are going to be almost impossible to find right now because of this. Okay.
And while you're looking, just go over what they are. Go over it
Yeah.
while you're talking
Okay.
to
So,
people.
like we said, guys, tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms, they look exactly the same, right? The tweezer bottoms, their body is on the top and they're at the end of the downtrend, and the tweezer tops are vice versa. the bodies are on the bottom, the wicks are on the top, and they start when it's going to go on a downtrend, right? So let's see if we can find it. You have to remember the wicks have to be the same size. The body could be slightly off, but the wicks itself have to be the same size. Why do I feel like this is going so fast? Okay. So let me see. I just want to find you. Okay. Here we go, guys. These are tweezer tops.
Oh,
The bodies are a little off, but I mean, I think I'm blind, so let me just ask him. Are the wigs the same
She's
size?
wait. She's blind and she has glasses on. What is going on over here?
Probably
I'm not
cataracts
liking
at
this.
some point in my life.
Let's
I'm not
see what she's
complaining.
saying. Hold on. Let's look at her.
Okay, so
Qué linda, mira.
I mean,
Hold on.
they freaking look the same size to me. Okay, and I'm blind. But they look pretty
Let's
much
see.
there.
Let's see what she's talking about.
Can you hurry up and look? To me, they look level. To you? I'm
Yeah.
blind.
They're not going to be perfect.
No, it's never going to be perfect, but you know, some schmuck out there will be like, well, it was like a decimal of a centimeter off. Well,
You see this?
okay. So there we have tweezer tops. And what did I say? They're at an uptrend right when it's going to start to go down. Actually, no, this is not.
Yeah. For the tweezer tops, that's gonna
Yeah, but they're supposed to be reversed.
yeah, and they're going down in a downtrend. That's a sign of reversal that is gonna be going
Right. But I'm
downtrend.
saying the candles should be reversed. Guys, because look, it should be a green candle first and then a red candle.
Yeah, but it doesn't always happen that way.
I know, but just
It's
because
still
I just want to make sure that our viewers know.
Carlita. Woo!
Okay, so now let's see if I can find you tweezer bottoms.
For those of you that are just tuning in, we're going over
Sorry,
the
I don't know
market.
what that was. No, not placing a trade right now. It is Sunday.
We're going over the market, guys.
And looking for tweezer bottoms.
She's looking for tweezer bottom.
Bear with me, my lovely people.
Bear with her, guys. Bear with her. The Forex Chick is looking for a tweezer bottom, which is another sign of reversal. I'm just watching your sister put her socks on. Oh my God. Leo, why are you looking at that? You're supposed to be looking at the charts with us.
Seriously.
On YouTube. We're live on YouTube
Pay
right now.
attention. Sorry, guys. Some of them are just not so easy to spot immediately.
They're easier to find on the minute chart.
Yeah, you think? I was on a 5-minute chart.
Oh, 5-2 is good. No lights out.
No, it's my charger, which I have right here on hand. Whose Kit Kat is that?
Mine. Not yours.
I was going to say, I don't remember buying a Kit Kat. Okay, woman, I am on the minute chart and I'm not finding but nothing.
She's not finding anything, guys. Do you want me to just go over Head and Shoulders?
No, I want to find freaking tweezer
Well, you're not finding them, so let me get on with the Head and
bottoms.
Shoulders. Who wants to go over head and shoulders?
I'm pissed.
I'm just here to look at
All
your
right,
shirt.
I'm giving up.
She's looking at my shirt, Carla. Ooh, Carla.
And I'm giving up on finding tweezer bottoms. Okay, but they're opposites of what the tweezer tops looks like. I'll look on my phone and
You want to
see
go
if
over
I
any
can
information?
pinpoint it. I mean, no, those are really
Up and down. No, Carla.
the reversals. If we have time at the end, maybe we can go through find a morning star, an evening star, 3 inside up, 3
Side,
inside
get up.
down. All right. Mad rude.
You gotta get up.
You should open your Kit Kat.
No, not now, because I'm going to be talking.
But I'm not.
Oh well, but I would like to eat it. Hey
Sharon's
guys.
very best friend.
Yeah, when I'm gonna eat it. Not right now.
She is so mean.
Hello, hello. Hey guys. I'm about to go. I have to go keep it up for it. Thank you, Louis. I'll be talking to you soon. We'll be doing this. I'm going live now. So for those of you on my YouTube, remember there's people that are watching us on YouTube, and I'm going to be basically going over head and shoulders. I have some cool notes for you guys. We're going to be looking at head and shoulders. So head and shoulders basically predicts bullish and bearish trends, right? Reversals. That's basically why people look for head and shoulders, because they want to look for a bearish or bullish trend reversal. For newbies, a bullish would be we're going an uptrend, and bearish would be going on a downtrend, right, guys? So we're going to be looking for some head and shoulders. I do not trade the Euro USD, for those of you that wanted to know. I do not. So I am going to be opening a different pair because that's just my preference, you know. And someone asked me, open the AUD USD. Is that what you guys on Facebook Live want me to open the AUD USD? Because I'm live right now. So ask your questions, guys, right? Ask your questions. Carlito, what's up? All right, so Melissa's topic was, she went over a few different reversal patterns. And those of you on YouTube, hold on. Chart window, we're gonna make this bigger. And my phone died. All right, Vanessa, can you get me the charger? Ask Melissa where their charger is. So basically, guys, let me just change my properties because I like, I need a charger for that. I'm just changing the properties. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing on this Sunday? I know we started late, but we're here. And I need to go over this, guys, because we need to start making you guys some money, all right? We need to start helping you guys make some money in this market, right? So I have the AUD USD. And let's open this, make it bigger. All right. I like these candlesticks better, right? These are pretty good candlesticks. I like this color. So, got some interesting things for you guys to look at. Hold on, guys. So, head and shoulders, right? Go over this. Now, I'm going to be looking for a head and shoulders right now, and I'm going to start drawing it. right now. Hold on, guys. Let's look for a good one. And you know what's really good to use is the line charts. A lot of people don't use the line charts, but a line chart really shows exactly the patterns and really can see a lot clearer on here. So I'm on the AUD USD. And let me change my candles. I'm going to show you guys. I'm passing some, but I'm looking for something specific. Now, come on, guys, bear with me. Let's look at some head and shoulders. See, this is a minor one, but I'll show you right here. Let me draw it right here. Does head and shoulders have to be even? No, they don't. They don't have to be even. And quite frankly, I just draw that trend line just to basically show you some things. So basically, what an inverse head and shoulders is used, we at technical analysis, traders, we do that to predict the reversal of a current, of a downtrend, or if it's a regular head and shoulders, you are using it to predict a current uptrend, right? It's the opposite, right? So for here, for this instance, we're looking at this to look for a current downtrend, right? That's the goal. We're on the 1 hour chart and we want to look to see where can we find an inverse head and shoulder, right? So we can see to predict, basically the reverse of a downtrend. So the pattern here is really just to identify when price action fails, right? It goes back down, retests the exact place where its support was, and rises right back down and falls down, right? So basically, I'm going to show you right now is this. Let me open this right here. Perfect. I'm looking at this right here. So investors would typically go in, enter this as a as a sell position when price rises, right, below the resistance of a neckline. So if this is the neckline right here, right, if this is the neckline, some traders will put a sell stop, right, below the neckline. Others will wait for it to break below the neckline to enter the trade. It's all, so look at my arrow. So we're going to use this as the neckline, guys, right? And people basically have an option. You can go in this trade aggressively, or you can go into this trade conservatively. So basically all depends on the style of, the trader, right? All depends on the style of how you guys want to trade this. So let me just show you something real quick. Just get this all ready. So for this regular head and shoulder pattern, you're going to look at the neckline, right? And I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make this bigger for you guys. Let me make this. I'm going to show you the neckline. Let me type in right here. The neckline right here. And I'm going to type right here. Left shoulder. And I'm going to type here. The right shoulder, right S. We're going to just show it right here. Hold on. Right here. Can you guys see this? So this is the neckline right here. So we're looking for a breakout below the neckline. You definitely want the candlestick to close below it before you execute a trade to go in for, you know, a sell stop, right? Now, you definitely, when you look at this, guys, I want you to understand that you could put a pending order or you can trade this, right? So, and I'm going to show you something here. When traders, how would you want to target this order, right? Well, people would say, well, Kim, how will I be able to put in a take profit? Well, I'm going to show you something pretty quick, pretty interesting, how you're going to put it in. So let's see if Melissa's settings, right? Okay, so you see how she has this like this. We're going to disable this setting. Nope.
What are you disabling?
I want to draw like a trend line, but the ray. So you want to take the, so guys, you're going to go here, trend line. You're going to disable it like I did. You're going to go, sorry, to the neck. Make this straight. And go to the head. That's how you're going to measure it, right? You're going to take this right here, drag it, put this below your neckline. Now we're going to imagine that this hasn't happened yet. So look at my mouse. You're going to take that trend line, put it right here, and this would be your potential area of target. Let me write that here, guys. Right here. This would be your target area, guys. So for those of you who want me to show you again, trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the fifth one from the arrow, right? Counting the arrow. You're gonna disable it. Let me see if I can delete that. Perfect. You're gonna measure from the neckline to the end of the head and carry that, and that's how you're gonna carry it over, just like this. See how I carried it over? Bam. And this is the area where you should want to have your take profit, guys. This is how you can make money trading head and shoulders or inverted head and shoulders. It will still be the same thing, guys. I'm going to show you a different head and shoulder. That I'm going to show you an inverted head and shoulder, but I just wanted to show you. Well, people say, okay, Kim, I like this head and shoulder, but how can I execute it? Where can I take my profit? That's how you're going to do it. You're going to measure it. So, for instance, I have it here in my notes. Hold on. So, that you're going to measure the distance between the head and the neckline. So, if the head and neckline is, say, 5 points, well, then your target area should be the same, right? Also, so, and I'm going to show you another thing. Some traders will get out here and close their position, not realizing that it's going to continue going down because it's going to retest the previous support, which is right here. And I'm going to draw another trend line right here. Hold on. Properties. I like pink. Let's make this thick for you, girl, ladies and gentlemen. Bam. Price came came back down to the previous support because support was very strong here, guys. Okay, this is called basically a take profit, right? Can be used by the distance, like I showed you, from the bottom of the head to the neckline, or reverse. Remember, because if you have it inverted or if you have a regular head and shoulder, you're going to do the opposite to see how far price may go. Okay, price can go further, which it did. And if the sellers push down further and it continue going on a downtrend, because price has to retest the previous support. And if you look at here where my arrow is, it's pretty strong, guys. See, look at this. This is really pretty strong area. So I wanted to show you the head and shoulders because it's really, really important when it comes to, you know, identifying strong reversal trends in the market, okay? So what else am I going to show you? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's see. Now, if you're an aggressive trader, you're going to want, you would put a buy stop above the neckline. This ensures that the traders will enter by in the first break of the neckline, catching the downward trend. Or if you're in an inverted, it would be the opposite of what I'm saying. But the negative thing about doing this in a negative way is, the negative con about it is that it can be you can be going in too early into a possible false breakout. So if you're more of a conservative trader like how I am, you would wait for price to close below the neckline, right? Below the neckline, I drew it out neckline, to effectively wait for confirmation that the breakout is going to be valid, guys. So this is pretty cool if you want to use this method in trading head and shoulders, guys. And also sometimes price may retrace back to where it did to the head for a pullback, and to show that the trend is really strong and it's going to go right back down. And what happened here in the pullback area, it did what it's supposed to, and it continued going down, and price retested at the previous support, guys. Okay, so this is just, this is a popular pattern that people use, with head and shoulders to predict the shifts in, in up and down trend markets. Let's see if I have anything else, any, key points that I would like to go over with this. Some traders also wait for a large spike in volume to confirm the valid of the breakout, basically. But head and shoulders is pretty cool. So let's look at different stuff. So let's see here. So I hope you guys really like that one. You giving out homework or no?
No.
Okay.
I'm just going to write what we're going over next week.
Okay.
Do you want me to give out?
No.
I can.
It's fine.
Really quickly.
Nah. If you want to give something, give it verbally.
We always.
I think I found something for you guys. Hold on. And comment, guys. Let me know if you like that method that I showed you quickly. Just let me know what are your thoughts on it. I hope you guys did like it, of course, right? I want you guys to like this while I'm going over it. But, just let me know, guys. Just let Kim know. I'm not done. Just give me a few more seconds, guys, because I want to show you something else. This is what's cool when you're live, because nothing is like
Give me a few
like
more
you
seconds,
can't
guys,
like.
I want to show you something else.
This is not scripted, so we're like, you're gonna hear us laughing and giggling and all that stuff, and it's just part of it, right? It's just part of everything. All right, let's see here. I want to show you an inverted. Hold on. Looking for a good one for you guys. Here, guys, hold on. Take the grid off. None. Bar up. Melissa's writing some stuff down for you guys. I'm just going back down. I'm opening a new one for you guys. So I know you guys want to look at different pairs. You guys don't want to look at the same pair all the time. I get it. I definitely get it. People don't want to look at the same pairs all the time.
Why? I live off of one day.
Well, that's you. You live off of one pair. But not everyone else does. Fuck that. All right. This is good. Perfect. All right, guys. Let me make my trend line. Let me draw my neckline. This is going to be my neckline right here. Let me type right here. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Right shoulder right here. We got the cabeza, which means head. I don't know why she's laughing.
You don't want to know.
She has a dirty mind. All right, the head is right here. Now, what do I tell you guys? This is a head and shoulder, an inverse head and shoulders, and you're waiting for it to break the neckline to go into for a position for a buy. And boom, it rolls all the way here, kept going up. Okay, but our thing is to be conservative, get in and get out and make our money. So what are we gonna do? Draw the trend line. You're gonna measure from the neckline to the bottom of the head, which is right here, because the wick right here. And you're gonna carry that over, right? Carry this over. And just drag it above the neckline. And move it right here. And this would be your target area of executing. This is where price is saying it should go. And guess what? If this didn't happen and you drew this, you would have been right. You would have put your take profit in that area. And let me write it right here. Area. Target area. Doesn't mean you have to do it like me, guys. I'm just giving you an example. I don't want anyone to hold me like accountable for anything. This is how I do it, and this is how I learn, and this is how I got, from different traders, from YouTube, from reading, and putting it together. And this will be your target area, guys. So I showed you two different patterns of head and shoulders, right? And you're gonna see double tops and double bottoms all day, guys. Like, we can make this into a line chart, and it's like, wow, look at that. Bam, bam. Look at that head and shoulder of mine. Fuakata. Look at that, guys. Is that amazing or what? It's pretty good, right? You see W's all the time. Look, to slight. You couldn't know. Bam, double bottoms. Man, what happened? Price went back to where the previous support was, guys. You can use the line chart and draw it, and you can like, all right, boom, we got a double bottom. You can put your take profit to previous support area, or you can, you know, put a trail stop and go, you know, every 10 pips, have your trail stop move along so you never close, you know, don't lose if in case the market went the other way and hit you, and your negative wouldn't be as a great loss. You want to modify your risk with proper risk management, guys. So basically, this is what I was going over: head and shoulders and inverted head and shoulders, and basically to show you how to use this. So remember, you click the trend line here, and you're gonna go to properties, and you're gonna make sure that you don't have this X'd. You're gonna un-X that and press OK, right? So this is pretty much of the webinar, guys. So let me minus this, and let's stop screen sharing. All right, guys. So this is pretty much it. You know, I hope you guys learn. You know, the most important part was learning is your target area, because a lot of people can find patterns, but when they find them, they don't know when is the right time or the best time to execute and get out of the trade, right? So we want to be growing our accounts with smaller lot sizes and compounding that. So then in the long term, you're going to have a long-term success in trading your account. So what happens when you're not scripted, right? You say things, but that's right. So Melissa has some things on the board, right?
Because she asked about homework. I gave homework, so.
All right, and she's gonna go over.
Yeah, I'll just move it over here.
Let's get out. Let me get out of her way. No, it's not. Get closer. Good. Okay, so homework. What are pivot points? How do you calculate them? Send them in. Next week, how to trade pivot points, wedge chart patterns, and pennants. That's what she wants to go over next week. I don't know. You tell me, you like this or not? Write it in the comment box. We're just trying to make you guys laugh. But basically, this is pretty much the end of our session. We're just here. We're not here to like give a whole course. We're just basically here to give you some tips.
Yeah, we go over different topics, different stuff.
Yeah.
We haven't gone over this yet. Kim is the queen of pivot points.
Yeah,
so
pivot points are pretty cool if you know how to use them.
You'll know that that's probably going to be her subject next week.
And you know what? If you guys send us in, I might give you something a little extra bonus. If you send me that assignment, I'll give you something just for the people that send it.
And then, you know, we'll go over wedge chart patterns and bullish and bearish pennants.
That's what she's going over.
So that'll be fun.
I don't like it. Not for me.
Hey, not everything we use we like, or not everything we teach we like, but it's important to teach.
That's right.
If it doesn't work for you, could work for somebody. Somebody out there, and what works for me would work maybe
That's what happens.
for you.
We have to. She has to bend down. Can't see.
We have to share.
Yeah.
We have to share. You know, as much information as we can.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this webinar, right?
Yeah.
You want to say goodbye to the audience?
Bye.
Bye, guys. Mwah. Hope you guys had fun. Enjoyed it. Hope we were entertaining. And we'll see you next Sunday at 8:30 p.m. at my house. Right?
And then the following week at my house.
Oh, God. Ha, 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 ha. Bye, guys. Take care. Enjoy your Sunday night. Bye.